Hello and welcome. In today's video, I want to go over with you the different file types for engraving, scoring, and cutting. I'm going to be dealing with SVGs, PNG files. So we're going to start off by introducing you to cut lines. So cut lines, these are SVGs that I'm dealing with right here. As you can notice, the max speed for cut lines is 500. Full power is all the same. The power is the same on the cuts, so you could always adjust from whatever speed that you need to cut your lines on whatever material you're using. And this is only for SVGs. The next one we're gonna go, it's gonna be score line. So we're gonna go to score line. The score line is the same. SVGs, you can score them, you could engrave them, you can cut them. On this one, the score line option, it's the speed is at 500. You still get your full power from 0 to full. We're gonna go to engraving. This is SVG engraving. So these are the speed options for SVG engraving. For engraving an SVG, it's 1000 speed, or 1000 speed, full power from 0 to full. This one, you have the option to add lines per square inch. So pretty much how much detail you want your engraving. So as you can tell, the speed's moving up a little more. So this is for SVG engraving. The good thing about SVGs, you can engrave them, you can score them, you can cut them. Depending on what you're wanting to do, you can do that. You could always go to PNGs. In my case, this picture right here that I have of my sister's dog Asia. So if you're doing a lot of engraving, especially of their SVGs, you could change them to PNGs, and that's the best option, where you'll get faster speeds. But just remember, on any of these, the faster speed that you go, your work area gets smaller. So just say my work area it's 19 inches across. Well, the faster you go, your work area will turn to 10 inches across from left to right of the Glowforge. The power is the same. It goes from 0 to full. The difference here between the PNGs, this is lines per square inch. You have the options to convert to dots, convert to patterns, or full power. What I always engrave with is full power. And if it's not dark enough for me, either I turn up the laser power or I slow down the speed. Take a look at Asia right here on the right. You can barely see her. I'm gonna bring up the contrast. I'll put it 10%. The picture's a little bit more noticeable. I hope the screen could capture that, but it does that. So I'll put it 100 so you can see what I'm talking about. See that? 100 minimum power, and everything got darker on the picture. That's what that does. And the same as the SVG, you have the option to have the line square inch to 1355. And I hope you have gained some valuable information. Feel free to leave any comments and questions down below. I will greatly appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up if this has helped you in any way. Okay, with PNGs, SVGs, PDFs, JPEGs, if you engrave them at 4000 speed, you're only gonna get a 4-inch work area from left to right. And if you engrave with SVGs, you'll get the full 19 inches across for engraving area.